everybody, welcome back. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. It's finally here. My name is Marybeth Angiolelli, and I'm so excited to share with you the new theme, which is officially called Unity Cash Builders. I got a very exciting email that I was eagerly anticipating and have been now for a little while from the admin of this program, which now is going to have a new name and a new theme, and it is called Unity Cash Builders. It's formerly Cash App Christmas. Okay, many of you probably have seen Cash App Christmas, and since the holidays are officially gone, they had to change the name up, and this is the new name. But the concept, everything else pretty much remains the same. This is such a simple, fun program. So anybody moving now into the new year of 2024 needs some extra cash flow, needs to increase cash flow for whatever your reason might be. Perhaps you are looking to, pay down some debt that you incurred over the holiday season. You want to pay down Christmas. You want to pay off Christmas. You have other financial obligations now moving into the new year, or you just simply need to increase your cash flow. There's things that you want to do in the new year. Well, this is a perfect way to accomplish that, because with Unity Cash Builders, you are going to be in a position to be able to receive unlimited $100 instant payments directly to your payment processor, which primarily is Cash App. That's the way I have it set up. I do, however, have other payment methods available. Just reach out and contact me if you need another payment alternative other than Cash App for whatever reason, if you do not have Cash App. Okay, my link will be below in the description along with my contact details. You may text me or call me if you need to. Now, what we're doing is we're just simply sharing this simple page right here, okay, with this simple short video. And it really is a simple concept. There is nothing, technical here. There is nothing complicated or complex. It's a very simple system. It's the best online program is here. And these are other ways that you can get paid, okay, in addition to Cash App. There's Cash App, Venmo, which I do have, PayPal, which I do have, and there's also Zelle. And I also do have a merchant account, so if need be, I can certainly send you an invoice to pay pay your invoice, that way. But anyways, my primary is, of course, Cash App. You'll see that when you come through. I do also have this, as my secondary, Venmo. So I can go ahead. You know what? I'll just go ahead and put that in the description. So if you need to do Venmo or if you need to do PayPal, those details will be provided below for you. Okay? So we'll just go ahead and make it simple. So $100 potentially over and over again. I've done very well with Cash App Christmas. As a matter of fact, I have, multiple videos out there. If you do a search here on YouTube for Cash App Christmas, you can see some samples of my proof, okay? Because a lot of people like to see and know that something works. Well, it absolutely does work if you take action with it, of course, and if you share it. And there's a multitude of ways that you can go out there and advertise and promote. And I'll be discussing those in greater detail on upcoming future videos. So do stay tuned. If you like this video, please, give it a thumbs up, support my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already currently subscribed to my channel. Just hit the notifications bell, and every time I upload a new video pertaining to this new program, you will be notified. Now, again, simple. This is a simple program, folks. And you know what they say, simple sells. There's nothing high-tech. There's nothing complex or complicated here whatsoever. We're just simply, all you do is share this page, and you're going to have your own replicated site just like this with a short video that you'll be able to share. And the beauty of it is it does all your telling, selling, and explaining for you, so you don't have to. So no, you do not have to engage with people. You do not have to chase people down. You do not have to speak to anybody unless you absolutely want to, okay? Simple, automated system, short, simple video will do for you what it does for me, telling, selling, and explaining, so that you never have to. And all you do is share this page. You have them watch that video, and you are in a position to receive $100 instant payments, either to Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. So you'll see my Cash App on my site, and below I'm going to go ahead and put my Venmo ID and my PayPal ID if you need either one of those as an alternative for whatever reason if you don't have Cash App. So sound good? Yeah, it does. Okay, so anyways, so not only will you receive payments from the people you invite, but you'll also get to help. You'll also get help from us sharing your page with others from different advertising platforms, okay? And the company has integrated and implemented a rotator, but I would encourage you to definitely go out there and share on your own, because you'll be in a position to earn, potentially more $100 payments directly to you, okay? So you can review this, read it over, all right? And as you can see, folks, you just follow 3 simple steps. That's all you do. You watch the video, and the video is right here, folks. The video is right here. It's a little under 2 minutes. Very simple, folks. Instructions. Watch a video. Follow steps 1, 2, and 3. That's all you got to do, okay? That literally is all you have to do. Here's my Cash App ID, okay? And then just, this is very, very important. Please leave the note section blank, okay, when sending payments in this processor. You can click here to pay, but you just go to your Cash App. You can download it, okay? If you don't have Cash App, download it, connect it up to your bank, and just go ahead and send $100 via Cash App to me. It's a $sign with my name. There is my Cash App ID right there. Step 2, you can pay the admin, okay? You just follow the same instructions. Read this. Okay, you can do Stripe using a card. You can do Venmo or PayPal. And then what you have to do for step 3 is you're going to take screenshots of your $100 payment, your $25 payment. You're going to click on this button. You're going to submit all of your information so that within 24 hours or less, you can have your own replicated website, and you can start sharing this, and you can start making money with this amazing little page and system, okay? Here's some additional payment proof so that you can see that this absolutely works. Again, go to Cash App Christmas if you want to do some additional research and due diligence. I encourage you to do that. The only thing that essentially has changed is the name and the theme, because we are now in a brand new year and Christmas is officially over, okay? So everything is right here for you. Make sure you review and read the disclaimer in full. This program is a crowdfunding program to help those who would like to receive extra cash on hand to pay bills, medical, rent, car notes, and more. And I'm sure many of you can relate and resonate with these type of ongoing financial obligations. So no worries, folks. A brand new year is here. We are all starting with a clean, fresh slate with this amazing little program that has helped so many at the end of 2023 and will only continue to help so many more in the new year of 2024. So if you want more in 2024, I highly encourage you to get started today, folks. It is literally only $100 plus $25 admin, no recurring fees, no monthly fees, folks. And in my opinion, this appeals to the masses for many reasons. Primarily at the top of the list, it is simple, super simple. This is something anybody can do. And I do mean anybody, and anybody can make money with this, and it is affordable for the masses. I truly believe that everybody out there has $125 somewhere, and I would encourage you to do whatever you need to in order to get started with this program ASAP, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you can be in a position to increase cash flow. And I'm sure you will all agree with me that this is the new year, folks. We all need extra cash flow. It's going to help people to reduce stress, to live better, more productive, more abundant, healthier lives. Because when we reduce stress and pressures, we're able to breathe a lot easier, and we're able to enjoy life a whole lot better. Okay, so just go ahead and read this right here on your own. And before I close out, I'm going to go ahead and share this video with you because I love it. It's so simple and it's so exciting. And the main thing is it works and it converts. It converts amazingly well, and it will convert for you too. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and press play. I'll be back with you, and then all of the details. My link is below. You may need to type it into your browser. if it's not pulling up, if it's not clickable for whatever reason, but it should be. But in the event that it's not, just go ahead and type it into your browser or copy and paste it into your browser. Watch this video again if you would like to, and follow steps 1, 2, and 3, and I'll meet you on the inside. And I do have, what I'll be sharing with you is a variety of different ways that you can market this. When you partner up with me, we can certainly connect, and I'll give you exactly what I have done to consistently earn these fun little $100 instant payments over and over again. Okay, so with that being said, folks, yeah, I can definitely help you with your marketing. I'm going to actually be putting together a very simple funnel because I do have great plans to expand my horizons and truly take this little program to the next level, because it's so simple and it's going to help so many people. So I will have a website where people can opt in. I do plan to do some paid marketing. I do have a multitude of emails, email swipe, follow up. So I'll be having those, being able to produce those and get those off to you as well. And then I will continue to use Facebook, and I will continue, of course, to be using YouTube. Okay. And perhaps maybe even Instagram, and who knows, perhaps maybe even TikTok, but Facebook and YouTube for certain. Okay. So with that being said, folks, sit back, relax, and enjoy.
This simple program is on fire. Let me introduce to you Unity Cash Builders. Find out why many are joining this program. How would you like to receive $100 payments sent directly to your payment processor just by sharing this high converting simple page? Imagine hearing those payment notifications coming into your phone. The joy of having extra cash on hand to pay your rent, medical bills, car notes, or save to go on vacation or get a new home. You deserve these blessings and the freedom to be with your loved ones. Just look at how others are receiving blessings just by sharing our simple program. There are 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1, send $100 to the person who invited you to this page. Step 2, send $25 to admin to create your page and place you in our rotator. Step 3, submit the form with all the information that is requested. All payments informations are down below. All payments will be verified when you submit your payment information. We will create your page with your personal payment IDs. The time to join is now. Imagine all the $100 bills collected by you directly to your payment processor. Live worry-free this year. Make sure all the information is correct. Also, make sure your inviter information is correct, so that way we will create your page and put you in our rotator, ready to collect those $100 bills. Once again, it's very simple. All you have to do is share this page with others and start receiving instant direct $100 payments. Enjoy the new year and have a very blessed 2024.
Okay, so there you go, folks. Thank you so much. I'm sure that you enjoyed this. I certainly hope that you did. And with that being said, I would love nothing more than to see you on the inside of the new Unity Cash Builders system. Happy New Year. Happy 2024. Let's get some of these $100 instant payments coming your way this week. As soon as you get started, you will be in a position to be able to start receiving unlimited $100 instant payments directly to your payment processor. So with that being said, my link is below, my contact information is below, text or call me, and my alternative payment methods are also listed. My IDs for Venmo or PayPal. Okay, so thank you so much. See you soon on the next video for Unity Cash Builders. Bye-bye.